What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mr. Welcome to Birthday Gardens. It's Tuesday, May 26, 2020. It's time for a spring-summer garden harvest. I've got a couple of tomatoes. That's a little small Creole right there to pick up. Got some beef steaks to harvest here. And I've got all manner of eggplants. Some of these I'm going to keep, let them get bigger. Those are Louisiana long green right there. And here we got some Ikebana. That one right there, that's a 9-inch Ikebana. I've got, you see piles of them here. I've got a harvest, and I've got some Cajun bells. So let me get that harvested real quick, and we'll be right back. All right. Harvest that little bell pepper right there, just for kicks. So this is what we picked up. Right here, we got the Ikebana right there. Ikebana Japanese eggplant. These are Louisiana long greens right here. They're a little small, little young yet, but they're still perfectly fine to be able to harvest. They were touching the ground, and I didn't want a chance for any kind of insects to get up in them, so I harvested them now. Those are big beef tomatoes right there. This little small Creole tomato right there. And these here, these are what we call the Cajun bell peppers. You can find them, I've seen them at different stores. That orange store and I believe that blue store, those big stores, you know what I'm talking about. They sell them. Other small places sell them as well. That's it there. It's about what, 1 by 2, 1 by 2.5, something like that. They're supposed to be somewhat spicy. I don't know, but you know what we'll do? Yeah, you know exactly what we're about to do. It's time for on-camera taste test. Cajun bell right here. No real heat. You see the inside there. There you go. So we'll put that in there just to compost. So anyway, some of them have heat. I've had some that are not very, very spicy, but still good enough. So that's the harvest so far. I could have picked more of these, but the person I'm giving them to, this would do fine here. This bit and that bit right there. That way I can share for other people. So alrighty. Any comments, any questions, you can email me or you can leave commentary. Either which way works just fine. I thank y'all very much for watching. This is Grow Me Something Mr. And remember to, I don't have an exit on yet, so see you later, everybody.